going to harvest our Tindora today.
Hello friends, today is May 11th, Mother's Day. We brought our Tindora plants or ivy gourd plants outdoors. I'm going to transplant them into these containers. The only reason I am changing the pots because they have bigger holes and the roots can grow through these holes into the soil and get the nutrition. And these pots are not that heavy either. That's the reason why I'm transplanting them. If you are not changing the pots, you can always remove the topsoil and replenish it with the fresh potting mix. We are going to fill these pots with the all-purpose garden soil. They will feed the plants up to 3 months. But in between, we will be adding some fertilizer also, like every 2 weeks. They have too many roots. I'm going to trim some of the roots. We are done with the transplanting both of them. These Tindoras were indoors from November until today, May 11th. Our Tindora is in this small pot, but it has big holes at the bottom, so the roots can grow into the soil and get the nutrients. And the Tindora is sitting next to our compost bin, so I think it is getting enough fertilizer from this compost bin. That's why I think it is growing very well. Tindora is a warm season vegetable, so the main thing for Tindora to grow well is the sunlight. It should get enough sunlight, at least 8 hours of sunlight a day.